Christian Chu send ye amount for can is a gonna or
just
sad issue. And I pay who said the moment I mean who said Nana Setre I just had we are bano pay me at once because who said our agents you we are the Ghanaian agent.
Yeah.
And the agent back what take Murat no and did call attire sport but nipa oba krom ha no mo a oye da dwuma nyina ma no no ye fe Nana Setre anope ye da sorry na papa de saade we nyina ba ye se anope ye a no omo ye e kan say rescuers net megwam a ko wura bi a Christian Twi na dan ne wo no na ye Christian Twi pie no Christian Twi ni ho na chere say wati Nana no wonse do papa anope we sa picture am ya to see a this from this morning and I pray to my unified this rabbles num because on say omu rather be mu they try say ombe hu say bia ombenya ade bi e kire say nipa na e kan ho say medan ni answer bi bi ni enti omko ru atwu dem honom no papa omo nsa kan na passport na ade enti atwu passport ene niema e ma na kwan work permit a oyere adwuma o take no na no pay ohu akire ha no mo a we eye ba bia omugbu atu dan nim honom no na omkonya asa na ma we nyina pie nti papa I just really sad in say na to enua I afraid Christian Twi papa you just imagine say for 12 days da ben na Christian Twi ofrim adeni bubu ono no odi how many days ansana ne nkwa efri ni mu yaw abantu bi asase no saying these are all questions are yeah gina ha ye ntimi nyia no ise Nyankopon ko a is between Christian Twi and Nyankopon because we don't know say time earthquake ne buy no Atu on the first day, Atu on the second day, Atu on the third day. Ye in the particular day ankasa Christian Twi come name no ye yi na branch na ka baby. Those times ni na e ya obe na Christian Twi na mu. Those days ni na no na ye de na e koso Christian Twi trim e wa asase na se. Papa ye si ewu achi de eni e kan say abufunu bia be na kwasem ne say so wuram na say you put yourself in Christian Twi shoes. Papa o sha asase ase for days na yentimi enkwa be na wo home time kwa se na onwu ye kwa na aduane be na odi den na otimi ye no ase ho so papa meti won sa questions we nyina be wura metim thinking about Christian Twi kwa for so sha asase na say for 12 days da mu da ben o on the 5th day o on the 6th day and before those days no na asase won o sha no na de empower na oye na de na ofili. It's really a sad incident for any friend Christian Twi. Now you look at a man full of life, say just Sunday or now to me, papa. And now to me, a week before tomorrow, Ojina Bo Musia kind of man a club a attire sport. Papa, just look at the video way braille, but let's join us live on Facebook. There's a man just 2 weeks ago, he was full of life. He was the savior of his team on that Sunday night.
Mani pasreye.
Just 2 weeks. Now to me not na. Na obi te park so sere. Just look at the sad faces of the supporters. Ene omo Asia Kanama club no.
Before the kickoff,
no papa. Just look at their faces. Where your omo coach? Papa, just look at him. Him because they all knew say baby had not do omo board run because baby omo na baby ye. Coach na nim. Our supporters, just look at their faces. Sorry faces in Kwan. What are money?
A macro witchery.
A man of watching, no. Because they knew, sir, but we had not do, and that's why here go as a coach. From coach, no. When Nipo here, when I stand coaching him, you could clearly see, sir, to them, no, they had nothing. But it took just one man, a free kicker, any chance. And a Bob wanted to Tottenham, or say, go to where. Just look at them. Or say, go now. Just look at them. Look at their face, money. Happy moments in Kwa. He gave them one last happy moment. A moment, may I show say and Otiomo and the Bible and China prayer. Or see, we will never forget you.
Okay.
Because he gave them a moment. Make us say that 3 points no will be a 3 points. It must save you from relegation. But just 2 weeks after, the man is no more. Papa, your point gave me idea. Just look at Omo coaches no. Christian Twi na ene yese ko to lifeless body no some few days ago ne club na peja na wo wiem kwaku the story na ba ha no papa he was trying to move to another club na okọ club for oba attire sport nche ne mom no injuries ne ma ha nti on hire nya ba oni bi mo and o catch the club and point for say obeso akọ club for because when your team bi a team say on man no Messi kan for mo and a coach say oh well don't worry your one last game we born your ball game new year wako when me we match day squad no your ball game no Christian for only 8 minutes e was that game na ball na no I said the only goal it was again the Martin your point game no just look at them Jeff omo peja no wiem and omo wie no and omo catch and say o de yesrewa the way what me boy me win the game no yesrew twen na ye nwie game no na wo twen na say ye bo season we wie na be kwai mo akọ and they beg that you to stay and I choose your better papa what na wie just look at this papa you see what I'm looking at papa now me the video we brel papa busu afọ anim just look at them and how would they feel the sister
now no so ne twin sister no
just look at them papa
and then the brother no so mu nyina so ko take you
show money the thing I can say you Christian you know they were happy and then kwaku yebo akọ omufie
some passports
yes I confirm say Christian you know how me imagine fie ho someone why abusunya no nyina ti obi all here abusunya no how will he feel today abusafo be feel saying just look at them papa really a sad story where tu na busunya for papa where tu yire ne ma ne yire bro na no anopa yo born voice wa ha say o hwe ni mu se ne kunu betuma san ba fie ene anopa ya confirm ya chere se ne kunu awu
yeah
and then mama we feel say ne man ketwa how would they feel omo ba Ghana ha this is the Kakum National Park just look at their own bad bay and just some few weeks ago and I tune in a year on Bakruma papa just look at them some few weeks some few months later they confirm say true and number and Krawi what would they do now on their day
and Krawi na debi anso mu bisa ma da wen
also no mo kasa Saturday anopa in the Sunday no kra case na nko bobo no Sunday ka tune na mana nkasa tune na yire nkasa on Monday na case see no na tune na yire na man kasa the last time tune na yire makasa no it was a 2 weeks today now to me ne pepe na tune na ma we kasa on na yire kra nkasa na mu wie so far it's quite a sad issue we are talking about one of the best players ever to touch football for Ghana but me kind of last time you can say about my Black Stars that was in 2022 Ghana they ebobo obi Kumasi now time was so for call I kind of saying post match ne a day before a game omo ye training no ade ana asamojan ane wakasu mo kan say Ghana for a new Messi that day no stories about one thing nyina no Ghana's new Messi Christian Chu because Ghana for anya a left-footed player or somebody would take or sell it Messi pepe and when it come to our Black Stars one disappointing papa look at the accolades of a branch of Christian Chu Veteran Player of the Year, African Cup of Nations Player of the Tournament 2015, African Cup of Nations Team of the Tournament 2015-2017, African Cup of Nations Goal of the Tournament 2015, Premier La Liga winner in 2013, EFL Championship winner 2016-2017. Empire Black Stars now, especially in the 2015 AFCON. Papa, really splendid performance from the guy. Papa, now one of the games I mean, and I said, me really feed our tune that day, this day. Papa, just look at this guy. Scoring goals, dribbling, giving happy moments for the Black Stars. Atu ena ebont na papa. Na go with them yes Ghana you be fida. But we jina born to he has talent na nkasa de atu obi. Na go pon na to chere ne che no. But just like a bunch of friend no Asamoah no, then we are make us on Asamoah new players and come here to me I think they could have played to the highest level. But Ghana no free esikasem okoko jisika untimi mforce so okoko jisika baby because the time Samoja no was Sunderland no that year the following year they were big class following or move straight eko jisika time atu okobo Everton no they were placed in the Premier League no more penal from Chelsea na but he chose baby adu no esoko jisika ba fie he thought about his family and okoko jisika sika no and baby or Christian adu no he was a philanthropist. Because will be a year or 10 year my Christian Chu. They just 2 months ago and pay and I kind of say Uro Kwampo for post your day. Or just a few months ago, or one of friends said, or the boots aba, and a basso of one or more essay boots no. It's that you boots your good, you know, because I did about charm for qua. or the boots nearby say or be chama manfo and you know kwa that Newcastle no there were some people are not just make Christian to asemana I'm getting
Simple Sports.
because
Simple Sports.
prisoners what you omo omo that prisoner na omo problems in the prison Christian to abo omo yomu nyina free wow how the foundation of Christian to every man for kwa but this is the manner to this extent you know and I pray that's sorry there is no Christian ni ho biem and tapa really sad incident me dey almost say omo yi no omo de na mu na eba Ghana so we are all waiting Hataya sport for confirm say omo de na eba so we are all waiting for our brother omo won cry na omo ko twen ye nua no ho na ye fa nua no ma na nya ni anim let's give him that hero's welcome because he was a hero for the Black Stars in 2015 single-handedly nkoje afcon the Ghana for he's a hero for Ghana enti nyina ye nko twen ye nua no na ye mfa na mra papa
okay
and I pray me who story now me sorry you know what I told myself say nipa nsehwe
we say the news came around 7
yes
and a buy
nipa nsehwe
at that time na year 2 abadi nti na manya lot of course e bi mo frame me so mo confirm me say no mo hu e bi e te sen enti ye wie naming ceremony na me ye as already